There was a Wickerburger lived in Fife, nickety-nackety noo-noo-noo. And he had gotten a gentle wife, he willy-wallaggy howd on the gulla-link, rotty-roo-roo-roo. She wouldn't back and she wouldn't brew, nickety-nackety noo-noo-noo. For spoiling o' her comely hue, he willy-wallaggy howd on the gulla-link, rotty-roo-roo-roo. She wouldn't car and she wouldn't spin, nickety-nackety noo-noo-noo. For shame and o' her gentle kin, he willy-wallaggy howd on dougal a link, o ratchety-roo-roo-roo. The cooper has gone to his wool pack, nickety-nackety noo-noo-noo, and laid a sheepskin on her back, he willy-wallaggy howd on dougal a link, o ratchety-roo-roo-roo. I'll no be shaming your gentle kin, nickety-nackety noo-noo-noo. But I will scalp my ain sheepskin, hey willy-wallaggy howd on dougal a link, o ratchety-roo-roo-roo. Oh, I will bake and I will brew, nickety-nackety noo-noo-noo, and think no more of my comely hue, hey willy-wallaggy howd on dougal a link, o ratchety-roo-roo-roo. Oh, I will wash and I will spin, nickety-nackety noo-noo-noo, and nae mere think of my gentle kin, hey willy-wallaggy howd on dougal a link, o ratchety-roo-roo-roo. Now ye wha hae a gentle wife, nickety-nackety noo-noo-noo, send ye for the wee cooper o' Fife, hey willy-wallaggy howd on dougal a link, o ratchety-roo-roo-roo.